Hey guys, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we're going to unbox the Lelit Bianca. So the Bianca is loaded with additional features and accessories that really make it stand out. We love the fact that it comes with two portafilters. You get a bottomless and a double spouted portafilter, both of which are heavy, sturdy, quality portafilters that just feel good in your hands and again, make it feel like they're high quality. And they both come with a wooden handle that matches all of the other features and accessories on the Bianca. In addition to coming with two portafilters, it has 4 different baskets. You can use a single, a double, an ESE pod basket, or the metal blind that's used for back flushing. And it comes with a quality tamper, which you don't always see when you purchase a home espresso machine. Sometimes they come with plastic ones. This one has a base made of stainless steel and a handle made of aluminum, and it just solid quality tamper. As for the features on the machine itself, we really love the 2.5 liter water reservoir because you can move it and position it onto different parts of the Bianca to fit the kind of space you're working with. And lastly, I think our favorite feature on the Bianca is the wooden manual paddle that controls the flow rate of the water during extraction. And this really just gives you endless abilities to experiment and take control of the quality of the shot that you're producing with the Bianca. We are really excited to have the Lelit Bianca in stock because it's a well-built quality espresso machine that has features and accessories that set it apart from other machines. Providing flow control, adjustability, and quality materials, it's a strong contender on the market these days. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Lelit Bianca, feel free to drop them in the comments, or if you want more details on it, you can find them online at primacoffee.com. And see you guys next time.